Today I'm making chocolate crackles. I was asked by somebody to make some easy, quick, sweet treats, I think for their kids, so that's what I'm doing today. This is half a batch, because otherwise I'll eat them all. But I will be writing the full recipe in, underneath that part where it says what I'm doing. Easy peasy. I'm melting the cocoa back here. Now this is my measure. Remember, this is half. Rice bubbles, designated coconut, drinking chocolate, icing sugar. You simply mix all this together. And now I'm going to pour the gently melted cocoa into the mix. Mix it in. Once it's thoroughly mixed, probably that's not the best way. Just pop it into a patty pan. Here they are. They look pretty good. 4, 8, 12. 12, this was half a batch. The recipe's in there. Pop them in the fridge till they're set and they're ready to go.